Baz, what's good, bro? I am sitting here in Pattaya, man. My last day here. We're flying back, or we're heading out tonight at 10:30 here from Hong Kong to get back to the States. But I shot a video of me in the bathtub with my suite. It's my dusty international video.
We are headed back into the Matrix, baby. Woosah, where everything is going crazy. Politics and relationships. But it's time to talk to them.
Yo, just having a dusty bath here in Thailand, trying to make it do what it do. I got my dusty scotch. Life is hard. Passport bros are broke and dusty. Don't you ever forget it. Oh man, I got bubbles in my beard. Bubbles in my beard, that should be a song. We should make that. Shout out to Big Baz. Yo, Baz, make a song called Bubbles in My Beard for the soft guy era passport bros, enjoying life, living it up and doing the things that we should be doing. Yo, I love y'all, man. Hey, hope you're enjoying yourselves back in the Matrix. Until I come back, hold it down. Love you, appreciate you. ElGuapo, out.
Bangkok edition. What is going on? When I heard salute and salutations, I knew who it was. It's the OG ElGuapo in Bangkok with the Travel OG. We're going to see what it do, y'all. We're going to have fun. We're going to do our thing. We're going to play golf. And check it out. We're going to find out a couple things.
Are you ready? You ready? I'm ready. Oh my God.
Yeah! Would you agree? Aren't you happy to be back? Like we in the 90s, yeah. This is how you feel when you make it up in here. Champagne, caviar, when Louis in the rear. No more hood, we under chandeliers. Bubbly, just like the bubbles in my beard. Lovely, just like the bubbles in her rear. Bling bling, like the bubbles in her ear. Ass like that, she get bubble of the year. Throw that back and watch bubbles reappear. Popping bubbles, we cop bubbles. Spot bubbles, so fine she top bubble. Left a man crying, he blowing them snot bubbles. Stay humble, they love you, I'm way above you. My position, work hard, let's all huddle. Hustle hard, muscle work, all the trouble. Yo blessings, damn right, they come in doubles. Beautiful women know they coming with them bubbles. When your pockets flat, that ass flat. No wap, no money, no honey, no cash app. My money don't fold hard cold. My emotions, I put them inside the stove. Yeah, we in here. Got standing on a square. Stand on it. Let me hear you say hell yeah, hell yeah, hell yeah. Listen, we in here. Got standing on a square. Stand on it. Let me hear you say hell yeah, hell yeah. Black like 88, 98, double O. Everything black, even white, call it black Chanel. What's an M&M without chalk? Nothing. All immaculation, what you call it? Culture.
Turn to the other side.
I just wanna wake up with a smile as a black man. Outside, take a peaceful ride as a black man. Walk my black daughter down the aisle as a black man. Happy tears, hand her right over to a black man. Raise a black son, foundational. You know, man. Watch my grandbabies grow up as an old man. Looking back, no cap, didn't wanna settle. Our mistakes, correct them and make it better. We both in this hole, so baby, put down the shovel. Won't you show me love? We fighting too many devils. Kick me when I'm down, so how you make it each level? All you do is frown like, please get it together. Please, we got to get it right. Get off of your knees. Sometimes it take a flight.
It's cold as hell back in America.
Please, we got to get it right. Get off of your knees. Sometimes it take a flight. Yeah.
Too flashy. I'm not a flashy person. You know, if you make money, that's fine and all. I just wouldn't want other people to know.
We can't drive a flashy car, nice car, because we got to worry about somebody trying to take something because they don't have it.
Dang.
We got to look at we at the lowest of the totem pole because we scared what somebody else think.
Dang.
No, I think not.
Dang.
I'm going to show out wherever I go. You got that ass out, them titties out.
Dang. Oh, Lord.
Okay, so shit, why I can't have my chains out? You got ass and titties out.
Yeah.
Tonight, yeah, that's a big ass.
Enough! Silence! Nessie.
Standing ovation, black man. You heard me. So loud and clear, we can hear. You heard me. Say it twice, we don't care. You heard me. Overlooking the city, got bubbles in my beard, bubbles in my hair, bubbles everywhere. Bubbles on couches, bubbles on chairs. Bubbles, more bubbles. She blowing the more bubbles. Mike Jack doing that shit on bubbles.
the f is he talking about?
Listen, King, we in here. We in here. Gotta standing on a square. Stand on it. Let me hear you say hell yeah, hell yeah, hell yeah. Yeah. Listen, King, we in here. We in here. Gotta standing on a square. Stand on it. Let me hear you say hell yeah, hell yeah, hell yeah.
What's good, team? Salute and salutations. Welcome to Beautiful Eyes. Hey!
Go, go. Okay.
Say it, say it.
Good shot.
Hey!